Blessed day, my love. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video, we're going to review this Ft.4U hair care products from Tia. That's our girl. I wanted to try something new, and here we are. I got a bundle, the moisturizing shampoo, which is the gentle cleanser. It's not a purifying shampoo. She has two, a purifying and a clarifying shampoo, but I'm just using the cleansing shampoo because I want to add moisture into my baby's hair. I also got the moisturizing conditioner because I want to hydrate Amira's hair and nourish her hair. I love the ingredients that are there. Hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. I love to review products because I like to add more products into our product list. So I also got the leave-in curl cream. This is supposed to smooth and reduce frizz and then soften the hair. Hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. So it helps to nourish your curls without any frizz. So that's what it says it's supposed to do at the back. So after I cleanse the hair, I wash it, rinse it, I condition it. This is what you're supposed to apply to it. Hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. I also got the coil defining gel. This is to define your curls and add shine onto your hair. It's made of aloe vera and one of the Hemi 15, and yeah, so it's supposed to give you that long-lasting styling and define your curls. Okay, so hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. You're supposed to apply that into your damn hair. I also got the coil refresher mist. This is to refresh your hair after you've styled it. Hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. That's the color right there. Can't wait. I'm super excited to try these products out. So here's my daughter's hair. Her hair is super duper dry. It's been in this high puff for days now. I can't wait to wash it and put back moisture into her hair. So here we are about to wash her hair. Her hair is super duper thick. She has that thick coils 4C hair, and this is the cold season, and we're all aiming for moisture. Moisture is key. So right here, I'm just gonna soak her hair with warm water, lukewarm water, making sure that I soak her strands before applying the shampoo. Okay, there she is. I'm making sure I soak every strand so that the shampoo, moisturizing shampoo, is just gonna get into her strands and really wash her, cleanse her scalp. So right here, I'm going to take a generous amount of this. Oh, this is super sleek. It's so smooth. I love the way it feels. For the smell, I really love the smell. It smells like one of this kind of baby kind of soap that you use. It's not that harsh. So I really love it. So I'm just going in and making sure I get her scalp really clean. Her scalp is not all that dirty, but that's why I picked a cleansing shampoo and not a purifying shampoo. I think I went heavy-handed on the shampoo here, guys. Don't be like me, okay? So I'm just rinsing off the shampoo, making sure I get everything out. And yeah, I just went in once. So right here, I already went ahead and applied some of the moisturizing conditioner and on other section of her hair to just, didn't want to make this video too long. So here I sectioned her hair off into 4 sections because her hair is very thick, and to make sure that I get each and every strand covered with the conditioner. See, I already love the conditioner because the conditioner, after I put it on her hair, you could see it already glides into her knots. There you are. So I always recommend, I always first of all go in with my fingers, making sure I finger detangle, getting the knots out, getting all those extra shedded hairs that are not needed. I'm just adding more. Her hair is very thick. We ended up using the entire bottle, guys, because I just wanted to coat her entire hair. every single strand with the conditioner, making sure that I get her hair completely covered. So when I was done with each section, I just twisted back up and then put it up in with a rubber band to just secure that section. But you'll see later on in the video, I go in again with each section, making sure first things first, I use my fingers to finger detangle her hair. And then after it was done, I then follow up with using a brush to brush, just making sure that I get all those knots out. So see, it's finished. We finished all of that on her hair. Her hair was very thick. So I'm using my fingers detangling is key, guys, for length retention. I swear by that, and it reduce the tension. And then I go in later on with a brush. So this brush is from the dollar store. You can get it for $1 or something. So I start brushing her hair from the ends and then work my way to her roots. That's how I do it. And then, man, her hair was super duper soft. Her hair really loved it. Her hair really loved that conditioner. See the elasticity. Her hair is super duper soft, and when I'm done, I make sure I twist it back up and secure that entire section like so. I always want to do that. If your child's hair is prone to curl back up, I always advise do it in sections, and then you put it finger detangle and then put it back in a twist before you let it be. So I'm just gonna rinse out the conditioner. I had covered her hair with a plastic cap and let it sit on her hair for like 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm just rinsing off the conditioner like so. Her hair felt super duper soft. Her scalp was clean. I really love the way her hair took onto these products. I would definitely be going back for the conditioner and the shampoo. The shampoo is really good. It was gentle on her hair, didn't strip her hair. So here we are, we're done. Her hair is super duper clean. It's super duper soft. And we're about to style her hair right now and then put the other products to use. There you go. So I'm just using my fingers also to make sure I finger detangle again. So here is, I'm using the leave-in conditioner, leave-in cream. So it says it's a cream, so I'm waiting to see what it's gonna do. I'm just taking that amount to put in a huge section like so. There you go. I'm starting with the tips and then working my way. I think with her hair being so thick, I realized that product was just sitting on top of her hair. Maybe I should have taken smaller sections, but I was so tired. She was so tired at this moment. I just wanted to do her hair very fast so she can go to bed. I had to go in again and add a little bit more. With this products like this with her hair, it therefore means I'm gonna be using like more of this every time. But guess what? I don't think, oh my gosh. So today I'm not gonna use the curl defining gel for her hair. She has high porosity hair, so I'm not gonna use the curl defining gel and mist today. So I'm gonna use our normal stable products. Like we always go with thick butter. It's from Things collection, and the Blue Magic to seal in the moisture. So I always do that if I want the moisture to last in your hair for a longer period, and especially as they're going to school and I'm putting beads on their hair. When I do that, I realize their hair stay moisturized for like 4 to 6 weeks. Okay. So for this style we're doing today, I'm just gonna oil her scalp using the Carl's Daughter essential oil mix. Is a mixture of different blends of oils, and then go in now with the buttercream, moisturizing buttercream from Things, and just massage that into her hair, making sure I coat her ends very well. And then I'm gonna seal in that moisture using the Blue Magic grease that just coats her hair, make sure all keeps locks in all the moisture in. Then I brush, and then for shine onto her edges, I go in. You could use a shining gem, or you could use any edge control that is of your choice actually. So you see later on, I'm gonna show you, this is the edge control I was using, is shine effect. It's just to give her that extra shine and make sure I catch all the flyaways on the ends of her hair. It just give her extra shine onto her edges and puts everything just clumps together. That's why I'm doing that. So I'm using a rubber band to just hold her hair together, and I'm just gonna do like 4 styles where I'll do a twist style and then add the beads at the end. I always go with simple styles for my girls' hair, because with that I don't manipulate their hair too much, and then kids are very they don't stay put for a longer period of time. They get tired easily. So I try my best to work my routine around hairstyles that are not pulling their hair, that is easy to do, and that we're on it and we're off, we're good to go. So I always pick styles like that, except for special occasions that I can maybe style their hair or braid something. I seldom braid their hair tight styles because it breaks their hair. With this style, man, if I want to refresh a section, I just take one down, re-moisturize it, and she is good for the next 2 weeks with this kind of hairstyle. So if you want blend retention and keeping in the moisture, this is the game changer. Simple styles, good to go. Okay, now let's talk about the products while I'm styling her hair. So for the shampoo, the cleansing shampoo, moisturizing cleansing shampoo, that one I might restock. I might go back to it again and buy it again. I might use it again on her hair, because her hair really loved it. It left her hair feeling soft and shiny. Definitely we will add that onto our product list. And as for the conditioner, I love the way her hair felt after the conditioner. It made her hair feel super duper soft. And I was able to get her knots out, and it melted her knots, and we were able to see, you saw how I was able to detangle her hair very effectively. So definitely I will be grabbing the conditioner again another time at Walmart. Anytime I go on there, I feel like I need a conditioner to condition my daughter's hair. And as for the leave-in conditioner, I don't think I will be using that anymore. The leave-in cream, that is just a little bottle that will not do anything for their hair. So I will not be restocking on that one. And also I would not be restocking on the gel as well, because there are better options for 4C hair that I would prefer using those ones than that one. And as for the refreshing mist, you're gonna see me in another day where I made a braid out on her hair, and I used the refreshing mist later on in the video. So we're all done. She's looking all cute. Her hair is super duper soft and moisturized, feeling so hydrated and fluffy. We are gonna have like 4 to 6 week wear out of that hair, you see right there. So I'm just showing you all how I put in the beads on her hair to just make it more beautiful and pop and pretty. And she's gonna be looking all cute. And beads, they help to just seal her ends and protect it from the cold, and making sure I put her ends away. I tuck it all out, okay? There she is. She's looking all cute. Amira is looking all slayed and cute. And now we're done. So that's the final look, guys. As always, if you love natural hair, you love fashion, you love vlogs, you love motherhood, everything motherhood, everything glam and shine and fashion hauls, please be sure to join the family by hitting that subscribe button down below. You would not regret it joining us here. I remember Amira being very little when we started this channel. Her hair has grown so much, and we try out products. What we don't like, our hair don't like, we put it away, and what our hair likes, we put it together. So I finished up the whole bottle of the conditioner. The huge amount of the shampoo is still there. We're gonna use it. I have my other daughter, I'm gonna use it on her hair, and I'm gonna show you all like how I use these other two products in the next video, later in the video. Okay, overall, here you go. So here I am, another day where I did braid out on her hair, and I'm using the Coil Refreshing Mist. I just used that to spray it on her hair to refresh her hair. We're about to go somewhere, and I just wanted her hair to be refreshed. And I also noticed that the mist it later on made her hair to be poofy. It just, her curls will not define later on. You're going to see that later on in the video, but maybe I was so heavy-handed with it. But you see the curls, the definition right here. But you're gonna see that it's gonna reduce later on in the video. You understand what I'm trying to say? So maybe I was heavy-handed with this mist right here, but I don't know, guys. You all tell me. But I know that's the beauty of 4C hair. It just wants to do what it wants to do. You don't want to control it. It's just gonna poof out. So there she is, looking all cute, Amira baby. So I just wanted to show you all like how I use the hair mist. So that's what I was talking about. Her hair is back to her afro, and just the ends are out there. So the struggle of 4C hair, keeping definition. So but she's still looking cute. That's Amira there for you all. Please, if you like videos like this, thumbs up this video, share, like. As always, love you guys, love, and see you in the next one. Bye, guys.